Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn about simple sentences. To understand simple sentences, let us first and foremost define what is simple sentence. A simple sentence is a sentence which consists of one main clause and no subordinate clauses. It has a subject and a finite verb. So, simple sentence is a sentence which consists of one main, that is independent clause, and no subordinate, that is dependent clauses. It has a subject and a finite verb. Finite verb means a verb that agrees with the subject and is marked for tense. Or in other words, finite verbs are often groups of words that include such as auxiliary verb as can, must, have, and be. Okay, so let's now move further. A sentence and a clause have a few points in common. To distinguish between a sentence and a clause, let's look at this column. Sentence. A sentence has complete meaning by itself. On the contrary, a clause may or may not have a complete meaning by itself. A sentence must contain at least one finite verb. On the contrary, a clause may or may not contain a finite verb. So also, sentence may have more than one clause, but a clause is a part of a sentence. Now let's look at another table to recapitulate a few things about phrases, clauses, and sentences. Phrase. A phrase is a group of words without a subject and predicate. So what is phrase? Phrase is a group of words without a subject and predicate. Also, phrase does not make complete sense in itself. Now let's see clause. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate which includes a finite verb. So what is clause? Clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate which includes a finite verb. Clauses can be of two kinds, that is independent, main clause, and dependent, that is subordinate clause. Clause is considered a main clause if it can stand by itself. So clause is considered a main clause if it stands by itself. And the next point about clause is, a clause is called a subordinate clause if it cannot stand by itself and makes sense only when taken along with the main clause. And finally, let's see about sentence. A sentence consists of one or more clauses and makes complete sense in itself. So sentences consist of one or more clauses and makes complete sense. Now let's analyze the following sentence and try to find out a simple sentences. Arup Gupta is the son of Nipun Gupta. Second, Arup, who is the son of Nipun, is a banker. Third, Vihan, father, who is Arup's enemy, tricked Arup's parents. And fourth example, Arup Gupta, the son of Nipun Gupta, is a banker. Now, let's see how many verbs are there in each of the sentence. In sentence 1, there is only one verb, that is. And in sentence 2, there are two verbs, that is, and here also is. In sentence 3, we have two verbs, that is and tricked. And in sentence 4, we have one verb, that is. Since sentence 1 and 4 only have one verb each, we can say that these two sentences are made up of one clause, and therefore they are simple sentences. So that's all for today. Thank you.